Well, hello, good peoples of the world. So here I am on the second day. Last night we were here to put in this sign that you see behind me. And you saw that, me and my family. And today I have to come here and remove the topper, we call it, which says coming soon. Coming soon. Some rules behind that to do with real estate. Now, real estate in Ottawa, in Ontario is fantastic because there's so many rules and regulations that we have to follow, which keeps it safe for everybody. The buyers, the sellers, the regulators, and everybody. So I love the rules. I'm going to follow the rules, and now that it's gone live today, I have to take off the topper. That's what I'm going to do now. Okay, there we go. The topper is gone, and that's a job well done. Everything looks fantastic, apart from the fact that I'm pretty much soaking wet. My raincoat is anyway, so I'm okay. And there we go, my friends. I look forward to selling this beautiful property behind me to a buyer, a lucky buyer. What a wonderful, can you just sense what a beautiful place I'm in? What a beautiful place. It's so quiet, it's amazing. The rain is pouring down. It's just gorgeous, just absolutely gorgeous. So there's going to be a lucky buyer for this place, and he's going to really enjoy himself. My friends, if you have anybody in mind or yourselves, please reach out to me. I'll be glad to talk to you more about this property. Hello, compadres. So I'm now at the location for the first one that we had put in last night. There we go. And that baby's coming off too, the topper. I'm going to do that just now. So compadres, here's something interesting. I just thought I'd continue the story from last night. I love telling stories. So this is the story of this missing screw here, which I lost, unfortunately, because I dropped it. I tried looking for it right now also. I couldn't find it. But that should be okay, as I've got plenty supply in the office. And shows, my wife came up with this. Did she? Yeah, I guess she did. But she's not going to watch this video. See what I came up with? This is a great little thingy here, your DIY kind of stuff. Very clever. You have to be very intelligent to do these things yourself. And there you go. Wasn't that very clever of me? Compadres, there you go. This sign also sorted out. Ready to head off home. Take care. Bye-bye.